Hey guys, today we're working on the EDV 700 delivery vehicle. By the odometer here, you can see it has 10 miles on it. So it is brand new. It's at 50% charged, which is the actual problem it's having. Sometimes people think it's the key problem. It's not the key problem. The vehicle is brand new. It needs to be updated like a phone. That's the thing about these electric vehicles. Rivian tends to update these things like once a month, and if your vehicle is just being delivered at 10 miles, it's probably been sitting on a lot forever, not started, not turned on. The most it's been turned on is to be put on the back of a delivery guy's truck to be dropped off to you. Rivian should be telling you guys that these should be delivered at 75% or higher. The reason why is because it needs to be at that charge level to update like a phone. Which is the problem that all of these delivery vehicles are having, is the companies are sending them straight out without updating them. So what happens is you jump in your vehicle, it's not charged to 75%, and it might be 60%. Maybe your driver or dispatcher, whoever, forgot to plug it in all the way. Maybe they thought they plugged it in, but it didn't click. So it didn't charge. So you're in it, you start it. As you're driving, you see little icons pop up. You might see one in particular looks like a turtle in a circle. The turtle is usually accompanied by every other problem light imaginable. The turtle is limp mode. Your vehicle is in limp mode. When you see the turtle, you're most likely only going to be able to accelerate up to 20 miles an hour. So your vehicle is basically saying, hey, pull over, there's a problem. Now, you don't need to go call a tow truck. You don't need to call someone for the key. The key's not messed up, nothing like that. The problem is your vehicle's in limp mode and you need to just reboot the vehicle. And after you reboot it, you need to take it back and charge it up to, I would just charge it back to 100 and then let it update. So, I've already done it, but I'm going to do it again for the video purpose. So if you see the little turtle and everything's happening, you're going 20, the brakes aren't working great, like everything's going wrong, pull over and put the vehicle in park, and you are going to press and hold this button here. This is a button, this is a button, this is a button. You're going to press and hold this button here, this one. So at the same time that you're pressing and holding this, you're going to press and hold this, your hazards. So you're going to press and hold, at the same time press and hold, and continue holding until you see this little van here turn into a little icon that says continue to hold. You're gonna hear the van start dinging, and then everything's going to turn black. So I'm going to prop my phone up as best I can on my chest here. And I apologize, I don't have my mic or my stand because I wasn't expecting to make this video, to be honest. So what I'm going to be doing is with my left hand, pressing and holding this button. My right hand will be pressing and holding in the hazards until the screens go black. So if it goes out of frame, I do apologize. I'm going to try my best here for you. So we're going to press and hold both. There's the dinging. And there's the screen. So we're going to let this restart. And this doesn't take very long at all. 15%, 21%, 26%, 30%. Goes pretty quick. Obviously I've done this already, so it's just doing it one more time. Rivian does say, while we're doing this, after you do this, you can park the vehicle for up to an hour to let the vehicle wake up before driving it. Because if you try to immediately drive it after this, you might notice certain functions kind of lag out. The vehicle is waking up. Treat it like a baby waking up. Might be a little groggy, so your backup camera might be a little laggy, certain things like that. So obviously a delivery company isn't going to want to let their driver park for an hour. So I would say at minimum, let your driver park for 10 minutes. And then if it seems okay, continue on. Really have them turn around to come charge it so it can actually properly update. But if you're going to make them deliver, 10 minutes minimum is what I would park it for. Now, 100%. Now, usually this screen will pop on. This comes on, it'll say Prime or whatever across it. And then that pops on. And then this will pop on. And then this goes black, actually. It goes Prime. It should like black out in a second. Pops on, blacks out, and then should pop back on. And then everything starts to slowly come back. Boom. Boom, the van's back, the map's back, this is back. And that's it. After you do this, your turtle's gone. You're able to drive like normal, get back on the freeway, and get back to the station, preferably. Don't make your driver continue on like this unless you absolutely have to. Swap him out or something, but it's really, the turtle is telling you to get back and charge and update. It's not like, oh, I fixed it, we can continue. Don't do that to your driver. Don't do it. Get it back, swap it out somehow, charge it. But make sure that you're charging these at the end of the day. Make sure that you're double, triple checking that they are clicked in. One of the issues I have seen with Rivians is you can click the charger, but it doesn't fully click in. So make sure it's charging. Check it, know that it's charging before you just walk away from it. Especially if you are down to every one of your vans and you really need these. Make sure it's at 100%. But any, what's the saying? Any rate, at any rate. It's not my slogan, but hopefully this helps you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video.